Does your office or school use Microsoft 365 and you only ever open Outlook or Word? If that's you, this series is made exactly for you. Microsoft 365 is packed with powerful tools that can completely change the way you work. But most people never use them simply because nobody ever showed them how to use it. That's changed today. Welcome to the Planet Tech, and I am Minhaj, your guide to success. And today we are gonna start our news playlist, Basics of Microsoft 365 for all the end users. Let's start with the basics. What actually is Microsoft 365? In simple terms, Microsoft 365 is a subscription service that gives you access to Microsoft 365 most powerful apps all in one place under one single signing. You might have heard it called Office 365 before. That was old name. Same thing, just rebranded. Now think about how it is used to work. You'd buy a CD or one-time installer, put it on your computer, and that was it. One device, one version, and a few years later you'd have to buy it all over again. Microsoft 365 works completely differently. With Microsoft 365, your work is saved in the cloud. You can access everything from any device, laptop, phone, tablet. Your apps are always up to date, no manual updates ever, and most importantly, you can collaborate with your team in real time. It is not just a set of apps, it is a complete digital workspace. Now, let's take a look at what actually inside, that is Microsoft 365 homepage. When you log in with your work or school account, this is what you see. All your apps right here. Let's break them down into three simple groups. Communication apps. First up, it's Outlook. This is your email and calendar, but it's much more than just sending emails, scheduling meetings, setting up your out of office, organizing your inbox with rules. All of that lives here. We have a full episode dedicated to Outlook upcoming. Next, Microsoft Teams. This is arguably the most important tool in Microsoft 365 right now. Chat, video calls, meetings, file sharing, all in one place. Most people only use it for meeting, but there's so much more to it. Next category, documents and storage. OneDrive. This is your personal cloud storage. Save your files here and access them from anywhere. Lost your laptop? Your files are still safe. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You already know this. But the online version have one powerful extra. Multiple people can work on the same file at the same time. Live, simultaneously. No more emailing files back and front. SharePoint. This is your team or company's shared file library. Common documents, company resource, team files, all stored and organized here. Productive tools. Planner. Manage your tasks, your team's to do in a clean visual board. Simple, effective project management. Forms. Create survey, quizzes, and forms in minutes and collect responses automatically. OneNote, your digital notebook, meeting notes, ideas, checklists, all organized and synced across your devices. And there's one more exciting addition, Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is Microsoft's AI assistant built right into all these applications. We'll cover that in its own dedicated episode later in this series. So here's exactly what we are going to do together in this series. Over the next episodes, we are going to go through every major Microsoft 365 app that you see as an end user, step by step, practically with live demo on screen. No admin stuff, no IT configuration, no server settings. This is purely for people who use Microsoft 365 to get their daily work done and want to use it properly. Every episode will cover a proper introduction to the tool, a live walkthrough on screen, and practical tips you can apply the same day. By the end of this series, you will be able to navigate your entire Microsoft 365 workspace and with confidence. And honestly, you are probably gonna know more than the most of your colleagues. So, if your office or school runs on Microsoft 365, go ahead and subscribe the Planet Tech right now and save this playlist because we are just getting started. The next episode is all about Outlook, emails, calendars, inbox rules, and the settings most people never touch. It's going to be really practical and genuinely useful. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, it really helps the channel. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next episode.